In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add totals and subtotals in Matrix in Power BI. If you've ever looked at a matrix and wished it did more of the heavy lifting for you, totals and subtotals are exactly what you need. They help summarize large data sets so your audience can see the big picture at a glance while still drilling into detail when needed. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app and head to the report where your matrix visual lives. Click once on the matrix to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's active when you see the visualizations pane respond on the right side of the screen. With the matrix selected, go to the visualizations pane and open the Format Visual section. This is where all the styling and display controls live. Look for the options for row subtotals and column subtotals and toggle both of them on. As soon as you do this, Power BI will calculate and display the subtotals for each row and column group, and you'll also see the grand totals appear automatically. Those grand totals give you a final roll-up across all rows and columns, which is perfect for quick summaries. Next, let's customize the subtotals so they're clear and easy to read. Use the per level control to show or hide subtotals for specific levels in your hierarchy. This is especially helpful if you have multiple fields in rows or columns, like category, subcategory, and product. Maybe you only want subtotals at the category level and not at the product level. Per level makes that straightforward. To draw attention to these totals, adjust the font color to something that contrasts with your detail rows. Apply a background color to separate totals visually from the rest of the data, and turn on bold font so subtotals stand out without overwhelming the table. Now polish the grand totals. In the same format visual area, find the grand total settings and tailor them to match your report's design. Increase the font size slightly so the grand totals feel authoritative. Choose a font color that stays readable against your chosen background, and add a background color to anchor the final numbers. Bold text is a simple way to make grand totals instantly recognizable, especially when presenting or sharing screenshots. That's it. Quick, clean, and effective. With row and column subtotals on and grand totals styled for clarity, your matrix becomes a powerful storytelling element. Thanks for watching.